Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Tania Quin here, again with another quick video. I'm here extending my client's natural locks. She has 67 locks that I'm going to be extending. Here I'm extending 22 inches long with my permanent lock extensions that I handmade with love. These are a mixture of 0.4 and 0.6 thickness. Look at how beautiful they are. Look at how long they are. Very seamless. There's a smooth transition between her natural lock and my permanent lock extension. You don't see any demarcations, any bulging. It is a smooth transition. This here is just showing you the length. Look at how beautiful that length is that I've lengthened her locks. Look at this, guys. Look at how these locks move. Nice and soft, lightweight. You can't feel a thing. They're very light. Here's the final results of the installation. 67 locks, 0.4, 0.6 thickness, 22 inches long. Look at how they move. Look at that humongous bun that she can do. Beautiful, healthy locks. Look at how they move. I am so happy with the way they came out, and she is happy as well. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. Now I am working on her roots, palm rolling, and giving her the double twist look so that after a couple of weeks, she's able to remove the double twist style and rock her natural waves. What I'm doing is I'm palm rolling and double twisting halfway, and then I'll just go back and twist till the end of her locks. If you would like to see more videos and photos of locks that I made and install, you can follow me on my Instagram page at TRU-LocSYSTEM. TRU-LOC_SYSTEM. If you would like to purchase locks from me, you can also purchase them on my website, www.TRU-LocSYSTEM.com. That is www.TRU-LocSYSTEM.com. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, share this video if you like it. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach me via text or I'm a phone call away. 954-415-0198. Thank you and God bless.